What you getting, Jazz? What you getting?
So I gotta get some chicken bouillon.
Ooh. You know, get the pasando. What's this? What you put inside?
Pero this right here is for the rice.
For the arroz.
For the arroz con pollo.
Arroz con pollo.
Arroz con gandules.
And arroz con gandules. And which gandules we got? So we have the Carolina jasmine rice. You got some dried gandules. We have the shrimp. We have some de pollo. And you know, and some Starbucks, cause it's not fulfilled without some Starbucks.
You know what I'm saying?
What's the order?
Caramel brulee latte with whipped cream and cinnamon.
Ice caramel latte.
Ice caramel. Ooh.
I got the same thing Jazzy got. I ain't want to cut yet.
Oh wait, do you have garlic? Yeah, garlic. I need some ideas. So for the shrimp, right? For the shrimp and chicken, I was gonna do garlic parmesan chicken and garlic parmesan shrimp. The shrimps are gonna be fried. Everything's gonna be fried. Now, should I change up, instead of doing garlic parmesan shrimp, should I put a different seasoning in it instead of doing garlic parmesan?
I want to try it. I never tried shit.
Yeah. And I should get some sweet chili and make a bang bang sauce on the side.
Ooh. A bang bang sauce. That sounds good.
Bang bang sauce.
A bang bang sauce.
Right,
Shit.
All right, so we have mayo. You have mayo?
I just like the way she turned out to
Bro.
It's like there's no elbows for real.
We gonna need.
This is ghetto.
So Jasmine, when looking for cheese, what is your top 3 choices?
Okay, so my top 3 choices are Cracker Barrel, Velveeta. Like in terms of block cheese, that's my favorite. And then for like the top, you know, the top shredded cheese, I either do the same thing. Velveeta, which is rare. Kraft, or the one that's in the red bag. How you say it? Borden.
Borden. I like Borden too.
But Borden is good.
But you know the most embarrassing time when you at the supermarket?
Oh my God, let me tell you about this time. I was at Walmart when they used to have the fish tanks, and I like broke it. I broke the fish tank and I ran, and the fish was just flying out. It was so bad.
That's actually.
There was a time when I was in Stop and Shop and I think I was carrying vodka sauce and the vodka sauce fell. Well, no, it was a caution sign. So I slipped over, dropped the vodka sauce all over me, and I slipped over the vodka sauce too. In front of everybody.
Damn.
Well, who's this worse?
I feel like hers.
I feel like you're a murderer. You killed fishes.
I never heard of that. I don't know if they died.
Okay, Jazz.
What's your most embarrassing time in the supermarket?
My most embarrassing time was, remember in the supermarkets when they used to have like the balls that used to be in like the you could open it and grab it. Yeah, so I was really fat as a kid. Like I was really fat. So I tried to go inside, but it didn't stretch that big. I had went through the part. I don't know what made me do it. So I'm stuck like this. And this lady was like, I heard this lady, she had called me fat. She was like, who's fat ass child?
Oh my gosh. Trauma.
I was so hurt. Like, and I got my ass up to my mom.
She was like,
See, I ain't tell my mom about this.
and she told me to, like, when we get to the register, stop crying. So I had to look by the register like this.
this is how you do things. You know, when there's mad lines in checkout, just have everybody be in every line. Just like that. This is ghetto.
This is ghetto.
Imagine it actually paying and giving workers.
I believe we should be getting 20 an hour.
For a fact.
Because nowadays we go through so much.
And some of these customers be, yeah.
Say Shelby's name.
Shelby. Get your fucking ass out. Shelby.
It's Shelby. Shelby.
Better. So
We cooking in the kitchen. Oh, my fault.
we cook in the kitchen. We a bunch of house slaves.
House slave.
House motherfucking slaves. I thought I was dark skinned, but I'm light skinned today.
Hey.
I don't know what color I am.
You light skin as a motherfucker.
Nah, everybody said that. I feel like I'm dark.
Sean.
Oh, I mean,
You still like?
I feel like we not.
What? Not too much. There's a D girl right there. Beto, how do you know how much like water you? This is my shit too. 30. What? Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it.
You get a pool? Nah.
Beto, how do you know how much water you put inside of the pool?
So I just fill it up like to like right here.
Okay.
You don't want to pull it up too much, and when you put this, it's gonna overflow. So you just fill it up to like right here.
Gotcha. We know.
And I hate when I feel like I'm dying. Think about it. 2:30 in the morning. Delise, what you say? She made this song for me. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm mad as bag. Why am I? That better be edited out.
No. This her song, y'all. Yeah.
I started on strong.
Ha.
With me, with me, bitch. You know, selling out Ubers, and I got rhythm with me, juju with me, bitch. You might hit you with Ubers.
No more.
Hey, Jazz.
Turn it off.
I got some long locks.
The locks already.
Delise.
My bro.
He's growling. He's growling.
Yo.
What?
I knew I heard something deep. I was like, what the fuck? I turned over, she recorded. Yo.
I had to pull out the camera, bro. Can I have my moment? This is for YouTube. The tube and you.
This isn't the truth. Chill it. Why are you fucking laughing? Stop laughing.
Stop laughing.
You? Yo, bro, I'ma fuck you up. Cause you keep doing this shit. You keep fucking
Doing what?
Stop laughing at me.
Who laughing at you?
Why you staring right at my face laughing? I just see eyes and it's coming from this direction. It's like bothering me. I can't. You should be.
I can't.
Why you keep laughing? You was supposed to be with my bros, bro. Like, you my home girl. Like, come on. Okay, stop laughing. You too.
What makes you laugh?
This. Y'all are very funny people. Like,
Lord,
why
have
am I doing
mercy.
that accent?
I want to know. That shit a Long Island iced tea, bitch. That shit Long Island. I should have cheated.
Fat shaver, bro?
Bitch, no.
No, it's like a thing. It's a jawline shaper bozo.
How the fuck you get that?
They have it at like on Amazon. It's called a jade roller.
They tried to tell me to chew a ball, like those little. They're like
You
they're
could
like
either start chewing gum.
No, not gum.
And then do your thing.
Yeah, I chew gum all the fucking time.
Let me see your jaw.
Look at her jawline.
Jazz, don't flex it. Don't flex it. Let me see it. She flexing it.
No, she not. Look.
You being a dick rider.
Look at that.
Can I see yours?
Ain't shit.
That's your cheek.
That's your cheek bone connected to the throat bone.
Nah, y'all trying to call me
That's your
flat.
cheek.
They trying to call me flat.
That's your number
They
cheek.
trying to. That's my song. You know this
Man, you
song?
like you scared. Like,
He doing a little Kim.
Nah, that's.
not the.
What she said? She said.
You look like a T-Rex.
This nigga auditioning for Jurassic Park.
Put that song up.
Do it again, do it again, do Come on, please. Do it again. Just walk to the door, bro. Come on, you're standing already. Oh my God.
What?
What's going on? Wait.
You lined your hair up?
What?
You lined your hair up, Shelby?
What?
Why did you do that?
I thought it was some real shit.
Yo, she really... Yo, go over there. Billy's come get your daughter before I fuck her up.
Why are you... Oh my God.
No, it's not. Jazz.
Yo, wait. Let me see, Shelby. Come here, wait. Let me see, bro. Let me see. Oh. Wait.
Yo.
Bro. I just didn't lay on my edges. Wait, Shelby, what in my life? That shit you went to Poppy, bro. Bro. Wow, son. This is, oh my God. Sean, she went to Poppy, bro. Mira.
Yo, I can't stop laughing. My fucking ears are starting to hurt.
What?
Yo, oh my God.
Bro. I'm gonna show you the video.
I'm not laughing, Shelby. I'm not laughing. I'm being serious. I'm serious. I was not laughing.
Bro, delete, bro. Wait, put your hand down, Shelby.
I can't do it.
Please be serious, bro.
Yo.
Yeah.
I can't keep the camera steady. Nigga, yeah. You sound like an uncle. Yeah. You know the uncles at the barbecue? Yeah. All right now, baby. Yeah.
Nah, bro, this is the...
Now y'all all tripping. Yo, what? Shelby, you tripping. For not seeing what we see. It's 3 against 1. That's a bro, that's a ratio, bro. 3-1. Shelbs.
That's not Shelby, that's Shelby.
Bro.
The real show.
And she from Jamaica, that's Kingston.
Some water.
Not get her some water.
Blame it on the drink, baby.
Oh,
Nah, that was that one season, because that was a new season. That was a new season.
My concealer probably hit the wall and it was.
that shit, it was a switch.
Oh yeah, you seen that shit, right? But that was a new season, and that was when their ratings were starting to go low. So you know the producers was back there talking about you bitch,
they was like,
y'all gotta fight. Yeah, y'all gotta fuck that bitch up.
She's probably like, oh my God, like I've never had to do this.
But if you
She probably it must be a blooper when she's like, honestly, like I do not know if I can execute this problem.
it's because she had a black husband. She knew damn fucking well.
I know when Kim Kardashian was given the moment and the opportunity, she was able to shine. You know how she probably wants to get into a fight so bad at Prince of Kanye, she's relevant.
Yeah.
And she's eligible for the blackness.
Because it was like, Courtney was fed up. She was
no, but yeah, Courtney.
You know, I feel like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the person who will fuck them up out of all the sisters is Chloe.
Yeah. I'm telling you, she black.
Chloe black,
she
bro.
Black, bro.
Chloe look like
that's O.J. Simpson's daughter.
Like,
that's O.J. Simpson's daughter.
She will fuck them up. Like, that's a quarterback. She's a quarterback.
Yeah.
She's pretty, but she's a quarterback.
That's O.J. Simpson's daughter. There's no way. I already told you that. I said she don't look like none of them.
Let's compare ourselves, or like, let's say, like, let's give somebody a name from a Madea movie who they think they are. Like, what Madea character do you think I am?
Uncle Joe.
I think you Uncle Joe. Yes, he's Uncle Joe. Yes.
Nah, because the other day you told me I was Uncle Joe.
No, I said you was Mr. Brown.
Yo, she is Mr. Brown. Shelby not Aunt Bam.
Yes, she is. I said that yesterday. She's
Shelby's
Aunt Bam. So who am I?
No, because Aunt Bam's funny, but
yes, no, but Aunt Bam get high.
Oh, okay. So you Madea bitch.
Oh my God. They back there laughing. Y'all, this is why. This why we don't do videos. Cause they back there laughing. Nah, I don't like what I said.
What? Nah, that shit hurt in my throat, bro.
Nah, you good. Yo.
I said, this is a tie. This is a smack. Wow, that was like you in a YouTube video. 17K. This is from American Idol. Like,
American Idol.
I'm Simon.
American Idol is OD.
Yo, y'all want to hit up the hub? Like,
yeah, let's go.
Come on, we gotta go. I got no water. Like, I got no water. I got no water and I'm thirsty.